Hello, CA1. Let me talk to you about what you're doing today. If you go to Blackboard, you will find and you will be able to download this Word document right here, the Say, Mean, Matter chart. You will also be able to download this Say, Mean, Matter reading excerpts. So you'll need to do that. And let me explain to you, as you are beginning to go to Blackboard and download these two things, what's going to happen. As it says, please fill out the chart below on your own, by taking quotes from each of the four excerpts. And you can see those excerpts there. Excerpt 1, rather long. Well, not that long, but and you've read it before. You read it last night. Excerpt 2, Excerpt 3, and Excerpt 4. From the two chapters 24 and 25 that you read last night. Now, once you've done this, say the quote in your own words. Tell what you believe it means, and then explain why the passage matters to the topic, theme, time period, mankind, whatever, mankind itself. So here's an example. If you look right here. My quote I took from Chapter 23. Tom's jury show made up its mind in a hurry, Jim muttered. Atticus's fingers went on his watch pocket. No, it didn't, he said, more to himself than to us. That was the one thing that made me think, well, this may be the shadow of a beginning. That jury took a few hours, an inevitable verdict, maybe, but usually it takes them just a few minutes. This time. Now, summarize. So basically, Tom believes that the jury, or Jem, Jem, believes that the jury took too little time to decide, but Atticus disagrees. It took hours to do what would have taken minutes to do in the past. He believes that he sees the slight beginnings of something. Now, what does it mean? This means that Atticus sees, as Miss Maudie saw earlier, the beginning of change in the community. It might be a small step, a baby step, as Miss Maudie said earlier, toward equal justice for all men. So now I've told you what it means. Now what does it matter? Well, one could say that this matters because it showcases the idea that change is possible, despite prejudice, that the roots of prejudice can be, quote, torn from the earth. Remember what Mrs. DuBose said, if only one man begins to take on this task. One only needs to have the courage to do so, the courage of Atticus or the Cunningham that was on the jury. So I have then done that. Explained, said it, told you what it means, told you why it matters. So you need to look and take a quote from Excerpt 1, do the same thing. Then do that for Excerpt 2, 3, 4, and then go back again. So you're going to take 2 from each one of these, 2 little short pieces, especially from those shorter pieces. But you can probably get 2 different ideas. Tell me what it means. Put the quote here. Tell me what it means. Or tell me what was said in your own words, Tell me what it means. And then lastly, tell me why it matters. And you should, if you do not have this done by the end of the hour, please have it done by the beginning of class on Friday. And what you need to do is, listen up, you need to do it, you need to save it, and then you need to attach it to an email and send it to Mr. Zavos. So do this, save it, attach it to an email, and send it to me. Alrighty? Good luck. Have fun.